Give you this one and then say the inverse. What did you do? You swap, you change x and y. So what are you going to have here? X is going to be equal to y squared. Now, you do have a base and an exponent, okay? But the exponent is a number. Can you see that? Okay? How do you remove these two here? How did you remove these two? You start square root, okay? What is square root? Such a plus and a minus, and then it's y is going to be equal to plus and a minus root x, okay? Yeah, that's how we do it. I'm sure there's no restriction. This is how we did it. Now, suppose I give you something like this here. You know y is equal to 2x. And then I ask you to get the inverse of this thing. What is the law of getting inverse? What are you going to do? You're going to change x and y. So what am I going to write here? X is equal to 2. Now, what is the difference between this question and this question here? Here you have an exponent, and then here you also had an exponent. But this one, the base was the variable. Here, the base, it's a number, but the variable, it's a what? It's an exponent. How do you make y the subject then? How are you going to make y the subject? You can't say root. Like here, actually here you said square root. So what are you going to do with it? You are going to then introduce what? A log. That's why you need a log. What is the log going to do? It's going to take these 2 here. If the log takes the 2, what is going to happen to the y? If we take this 2, what is going to happen to the y? It goes down again. And then what are we going to have? We're going to have log 2x. This is our inverse of this function. Does it make sense? So the reason why I was showing you how to express an exponential into a log is because when you go to our inverse, you need it. You are going to need it because you can't say root and root here. And then you don't only log happiness. You only log if the variable is an exponent. If a variable is an exponent, you want to take that variable down. You need to introduce what? A log. Otherwise, we square. Does it make sense? Okay, let's go to activity number